Hi there, Tom Hughes here from Improvement Starts With I and GembaDocs. And here's a quick video. I just came across this on one of the lean groups. It's actually the signal group for Improvement Starts With I. And Constantin Graur from SLON Signs in Quebec, Canada shared it just with the group. But I thought it was too good to leave in the group, and I thought I'd come and share it with you today. It's just about how he's using GembaDocs with 2 screens per workstation, and it just is so nice and clear and makes so much sense. I thought I'd share it with you. Enjoy, everybody.
Brought to you by GembaDocs.com.
I added second screen to every station, and the reason is very simple. On one screen we would work with our regular software for production. On the other screen, so here's the checklist on the left, on the very first slide, and on the second starts the information if needed, if someone wants to follow or to remind himself of any additional things in the production flow. So that's what is the second screen for, again, for our production software and for GembaDocs. Thank you very much, Tom, for GembaDocs. That's a super useful tool.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit GembaDocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play stores.